PC parts are getting so expensive, it's almost impossible to build a PC now. So I'm curious to see how much my PC costs if I were to build it today. And I'm kind of scared to do it, to be honest. I built my PC over a span of a few months, buying part by part, so I don't remember exactly how much my entire build cost, but I do believe it was just under $2,000 or at $2,000, but it's expected with the type of build that I have. So we're gonna build this on PC Part Picker to kind of make it easier. For the CPU, I have the 9900X, cooling it with the Thermalright Frozen Warframe RGB. The motherboard is an MSI Pro X870E, 64 gigs of DDR5, clocked at 6,000 megatransfers per second, CL36. I have two M.2 NVMe's. One of them is the Kingston MV3, 1TB, and the other is the Clef Crassi 910, 1TB, as well as a 4TB Seagate Barracuda for storage. My GPU is the Asus Prime 5070, case is the Height Y60, then my power supply is the Corsair RM1000E. So all that adds up to, okay, wow. So in the span of a few months, my build went from somewhere around $2,000 to over $3,000. Wow, dude. Over $1,000 more in the span of a few months. Yeah, I bought my 5070 for $549, basically MSRP, and now it's almost $700. Oh my god. RAM I got for like $180, and it's now almost $1,000. Guys, buy a pre-build. Just buy a pre-build. I think that's just where we're at right now. I'm sorry.